Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of reconnecting NordVPN on every single device or want to protect your entire home network with one setup, this is your ultimate guide to installing NordVPN on your router. No tech skills needed, and I'll show you everything right from my PC. Let's dive in. First, why install NordVPN on a router? It secures every device connected to your Wi-Fi, even smart TVs and game consoles that don't support VPN apps. One login, full protection. You save time, hassle, and keep your network encrypted 24/7. Step 1. Check if your router is compatible. Go to nordvpn.com and scroll down to the footer. Click on VPN for routers, or just search NordVPN router compatibility. You'll see a list of supported models. Look for names like Asus, Netgear, TP-Link, or any router that runs on OpenVPN, DD-WRT, or Tomato firmware. If your router isn't supported, no worries. I'll show a workaround in a second. Step 2. Log into your router's admin panel. In your browser, type the default IP address, 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Enter your username and password. Usually it's admin/admin unless you changed it. We're inside. Step 3. Download NordVPN's OpenVPN configuration files. Back on nordvpn.com, sign into your account. Go to the Download section, click Manual Setup, then choose OpenVPN. Now download both the .ovpn file and the CA certificate. Step 4. Upload config files to your router. Inside the router settings, find the VPN tab, often under Advanced or WAN settings. Select OpenVPN client and upload the .ovpn file and certificate. Enter your NordVPN username and password from your account dashboard, not your email. Click Apply. Step 5. Connect and test. Once applied, your router should show status Connected. To confirm it's working, just Google, "What's my IP?" It should show a new country. Boom! Entire network protected. Now, if your router doesn't support VPNs, you've got two options. Buy a pre-configured VPN router. NordVPN recommends providers like FlashRouters. Set up a virtual VPN router on your PC. I'll cover that in another video. And that's it. You just turned your router into a security hub for your home. Bonus: you don't need to install the VPN app on every single device anymore. If you found this helpful, don't forget, full guide and bonuses are in the pinned comment. And if you need the best deal on NordVPN, check the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.